Meet my new Pocket Pals, soft, fluffy, and full of charm.
They are so cute and funny.
Each toy has a soft, flat body crocheted from fur-like yarn. They feel amazing to touch and are so much fun to squeeze. Perfect for a little comfort wherever you are. These unique toys are both adorable plush figures and relaxing stress relievers that bring joy to kids and adults alike. Just a touch of their soft, fluffy bellies is truly calming. 20 spins, and your peace of mind is restored. These fluffy pals can be a bright, eye-catching accessory for your bag or jacket.
Or can be a silly, fun trinket for your car's rearview mirror.
At the end of the day, they're simply cute, tiny toys, and kids adore them. From idea to creation, let's make it together.